Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Narito po muli si Maestro Sani para sa isa na namang aralin sa Technology and Livelihood Education 6, First Quarter Module 4, Information and Communication Technology. Pero bago natin ipagpatuloy ang ating aralin, huwag pong kalimutang mag-share, mag-like at mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. At the end of this module, the learner will be able to communicate using audio and video conferencing. But before we will continue our lesson, let us first do this activity. Write the correct answer on the circle before each number. First, the major device used by online user to communicate with another online user. Number 2, computer, browser, video conference softwares, speakers, microphones, and etc. Number 3, methods of communication between two persons with their personal computers or any device that are connected online via the internet. Number 4, an effective internet connection. And number 5, example of audio-video software that can be found. Okay, let us see if your answers are correct. So the answer for number 1 is internet. Number 2, requirements for audio-video conferencing. Number 3, video conferencing. Number 4, Wi-Fi or internet connections. And number 5, Google Hangouts, Skype, Fuse Meeting, or Zoom. Okay, let us understand the meaning of each word. Audio means sound waves that can be heard by the human ears. Number 2, video, moving visual images usually recorded digitally or by a video team. Number 3, conference, a meeting to discuss a topic. Number 4, internet browser, a device or program used to locate different websites. Number 5, internet, the connection of computer to access different websites. And number 6, tools, they are software accessed via internet and use a particular online program. What's in? Communication is one of the fields of entrepreneurship that has been improved by the computer technology. How buyers and sellers and even ordinary people exchange words with each other is important in establishing connection and maintaining business relationship. In entrepreneurship, communicating with people is the most crucial skill that is important in selling a product. A salesperson has to know the product and find creative ways to communicate. Online tools such as audio-video conferencing and e-groups are some of the tools that can help entrepreneurs reach out to people. This lesson will provide basic information in using different audio-video conferencing tools on the internet that can be used to communicate to other people. This lesson will also introduce the basic functions of the communication tools, the present ways in sending and receiving text, audio, and digital information to online. What is video conferencing? Audio-video conferencing is a method of communication between two or more persons with personal computers who are all connected online through the internet. Video conferencing, also called as teleconferencing or web conferencing, is an online meeting wherein two or more people can see, hear, talk to each other using computer networks to send audio and video data real time. Some examples of video conferencing applications that allow direct video and voice communication via internet are Skype, Google, Hangouts, Fuse Meeting, Google Meet, and FaceTime. If you want to watch video about introduction of audio-video conferencing, visit this link. So these are the links if you want to watch the videos about the introduction of audio-video conferencing. Congratulations! You are now knowledgeable with the meaning of audio-video conferencing. It's now time to apply your knowledge. Are you ready? Oh, I hope so. So before we will continue our lesson, let us first do this activity. We have to write down the details on each box based on your readings. Audio-video conferencing. So what does it mean? Okay, so let us see if your answers are correct. Okay, so audio-video conferencing. First, a method of communication between two persons with their personal computers or any device that are connected online via the internet using Skype, Google+, Hangouts, Fuse Meeting, Google Meet, and FaceTime are some of the video conferencing software. Another is video conferencing is also called as teleconferencing or web conferencing. And we use laptop, personal computers, smartphones, speakers, microphone, web camera, software, and internet are the requirements for video conferencing. So those are the things that are related to audio-video conferencing. Okay, so let us proceed to lesson 2. Requirements for audio-video conferencing. Here are the requirements for using the video conferencing. First, displays. Laptops, desktop monitor, smartphone, tablet platforms, personal computers. Computer technology is important in using audio-video conferencing tool or any type of communication tool. One has to be prepared with a few devices in order for two or more people to communicate in the internet. One important device is the laptop, tablet, or personal computer or PC. The personal computer is the most important technology in operating any software and connecting to the internet. This device helps connect one person's computer to another person's computer through the use of the different audio-video conferencing tools found in the internet. Next, internet connection or Wi-Fi or Ethernet. The second important factor in using an audio-video conferencing tool is the internet access. Without access to the World Wide Web, a personal computer would be useless in communicating online. Only a fast internet access can support a successful and productive online audio-video conversation between two people. Broadband is a type of internet connection that is widely used today because it is fastest and most popular method to connect online. This type of internet connection uses cable or telephone lines or radio signals to connect to the personal computer. Number 3, microphone. Another one is microphone to enable person to record audio as well as speak to the other person without using text messages. Number 4, web camera, a high-resolution webcam. A web camera or webcam is required to enable video recording and to be able to see the other person whom one is communicating with or through the screen or monitor of the personal computer. Excuse me. Number 5, video conferencing software. Excuse me. Google Hangouts, Skype, Fuse Meeting, Zoom video conferencing software enables online communication for audio meetings, video meetings, and seminars with built-in features such as chat, screen sharing, and recording. These applications are implemented to enable long-distance or international communication, enhance collaboration, and reduce travel costs. Number 6 is speakers. Built-in speakers, headset, headphones, other important attachments are audio-video devices that must be connected to the personal computer, such as a speaker or headset, to enable the person to hear the other person online. So we must use the speaker, webcam in order for us to communicate effectively to other personalities. Okay, so these are the pictures of the requirement for audio-video conferencing. So for displays, we have here the smartphone, your laptop, or your personal computer. Another, we have internet connections. So we have Wi-Fi, plug it on broadband, and packet Wi-Fi. Another, microphone, built-in microphones and microphone with headset. Another, we have the web camera, built-in camera or webcam. So laptops have built-in camera. Next, video conferencing software, we have Google Hangouts, Skype, and FaceTime. And we have speakers, headset, Bluetooth headphones, and wired thick earphones. Okay, congratulations! You are now knowledgeable with the technology requirement used commonly in audio and video conferencing. It is now time to apply your knowledge, or are you ready? Okay, nice to hear that one from you. Okay, so we have here the skill check. Identify the picture and give the functions of each technology requirement for video conferencing. So number 1, what do you call that one? Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. So we have 6 requirements for the audio-video conference. Okay, so let us check if your answers are correct. So number 1 is headset. It is used to enable the person to hear the other person online. So we need a headset. Then next, number 2, video conferencing software. Implemented to enable long distance or international communication, enhance collaboration, and reduce travel costs. Number 3, web camera. To enable video conferencing and to be able to see the other person whom one is communicating with through the screen or monitor or personal computer. Next, internet. It is one of the most important tools in communication. And laptop device in order for 2 or more people to communicate on the internet. And number 6, microphone to enable person to record audio as well as speak to the other person without or using text messages. Okay, let us move to lesson 3. Video conferencing is widely used in different fields, from homes, schools, to business establishment. At home, it helps families and friends to stay connected to loved ones from different places in and out of the country. In school, it may be able students to see each other, share documents, and discuss lecture even if they are in different cities or even countries. It may also allow virtual field trips. In business, video conferencing is efficient to use not only during meetings but also when dealing with customers. Product demonstration, for instance, may be executed more effectively through video conferencing rather than explaining it verbally. So in our trying hard time, this video conferencing is widely used because we cannot go out anywhere because of the pandemic. So we are using this video conferencing in order of some businessmen or businesswomen to sell their products. Okay, now the following are the benefits of using video conferencing. So these are the benefits we can derive from using what? The video conferencing. First, it reduces travel time and expenses since it allows people to communicate to several places in the instant without having to leave the office. So in order for us to minimize the contacts between people to people or person to person, we need to use the teleconferencing, the video teleconferencing. Another, it allows people from different fields and places to easily collaborate and share ideas with each other. So even we do not see each other, we can still collaborate by the use of what? Again, video conferencing. So it is very important. It gives us more benefits. Another, it enables showing demonstration or procedures to large audience that may come from several places from all over the world. It is also used in broadcasting news. It is even used by the broadcasters or reporters. They are working at home. Another activity. For this activity, we will use the Google Hangouts Meet as our video conference software. Google Hangout Meets is an easy but powerful tool for video conferencing. Likewise, a great tool for school for remote instruction. Again, By using Meet, we can connect with other people, especially your classmates, wherever they are using your available display device. It can be a PC, a smartphone, Mac, Chromebook, or tablet. And of course, get ready for your internet connections. So let's practice on how to use the Google Hangouts. Okay, so but then it is Google Hangouts is used by online students and pupils. So ginagamit po nila ito yung mga online learners and online teachers. They are using Google Meet Hangouts. Okay, so how can we create a Google Hangout? First, sign in to Google. Syempre, you will need a Google account such as the one you use for Gmail. Google is a social networking site that is designed for Google account holders. So here, we have John De La Cruz at gmail.com. So that is the Google account. So you have to sign into Google to make your Gmail. So that is the first step. Second step, find the Hangout frame. The Hangouts are located at the left-hand side of the Google page. Here you will see a list of recent Hangouts as well as recent email accounts. So just click. Then next, create a new Hangout. Click the plus new Hangouts field at the top of the Hangout list. The list will change to a list to your contacts and Google circles. Check the box next to any people that you want to add to the Hangout. Then, regardless of what platform you are using, clicking or tapping on a contact or existing Hangout will open a chat box. If the other person is not online, they will receive messages the next time they open the Hangout client. You can also search for people and circles by typing the name, email address, or phone number you are searching into the field at the top of the list. Then step 4, choose your Hangout format. You are given the option to start either a video or a text Hangout. You can turn a text chat into a video chat at any time. So you can always start the video Hangout anytime you want, especially if you are connected to the internet. Awesome! You have now created Google Hangouts on your device. Let us now explore more methods using Google Hangouts. Ready? Enjoy learning! So chatting in the Google Hangouts. Step 1, add emoji to your conversation. So you can add emoji if you click the tap the smiley face on the left side of the chat field. You will open a list of emoticons and emoji that you can use. They are separated into categories which you can navigate by selecting the icons on the top of the emotion or emoticon screen. So you can always use emoticons. Next, step 2, share pictures. You can also add image to your Hangout by clicking the camera icon on the right side of your chat field. This will open the select image window on a computer or an option menu on mobile devices. You can use your webcam or phone's camera to take photos and share them, or you can add photos, other sources such as your computer or phone's memory. Then step 3, adjust your chat settings. If you are using a computer, click the gear icon in the chat window to choose your archive settings. You can also block the person you are chatting with. If using a mobile device, press the menu button and select your options in the menu that appears. Step 4, turn the chat into a video chat. Click the video camera button on the top of the chat box. The other person will receive a notification that you are attempting to start a video chat or video call. You can video call or video chat on both the computer and the mobile devices. Video chats do not require that both users have a camera. You can video chat with a camera on one end and a microphone on the other, and just camera and text. Okay, that's how's your work? Having trouble? Let someone in your home to guide you in doing this activity. Let us have more fun, learning, enjoy. Accessing Hangouts on the go. Okay, so let us do accessing the Hangouts. So first, download the app. So you should download the apps on the Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device, and search for Hangouts. The app is free to download. Many Android devices come with Hangouts pre-installed. It replaces the old Talk application. Next, run the app. When the app loads for the first time, you will ask to log in with your Google account. Android users can choose the account associated with their device. iOS users will need to enter their Google username and password. When the app opens, you will see a list of recent Hangouts. Then swipe to the left to create a new Hangout. Add contacts from the list or search for people by name and phone number. Okay, so congratulations! You are now knowledgeable in communicating using audio-video conferencing in safe and responsible manner. Remember, video conferencing, also called as teleconferencing or web conferencing, is an online meeting wherein two or more people can see, hear, and talk to each other using networks or send audio and video data in real time. Okay, so what you can do? So you have to demonstrate online collaborations and communication on video conferencing. Invite at least 5 or 8 classmates in your Google Hangout Meets. Have a discussion regarding our current health crisis issues, the Corona-19 virus. Please consider the do's and don'ts when conducting video conferencing and join learning. Okay, we have here another activity. Choose one graphic organizer or write your conclusion about the lesson. Be ready with an output presentation to be presented on our scheduled online meeting using Google Hangout Meets. So you will use the KWL chart. Okay, for our references, we have here Technology and Livelihood Education 6 or ICT 6 Alternative Delivery Mode Quarter 1 Module 4 First Edition by the Department of education. So with this, thank you very much.